Alright lads, welcome to the final rant that I'm recording today for the 2NZ channel. This one is a little bit about programming. The past few days I have talked about a problem that I have had with my Python Discord bot, which I am now building up from the ground. However, I still have to maintain this existing one until I get the new one finished. And when I am busy with things like schoolwork at the moment, it means that it does take a little bit of a backseat, and so currently all I can really do is maintain the existing one, and annoyingly, it has multiple bugs. The main one is that the day number has not been going up in the database. It saves the same day number over and over for the daily challenge that it plays. Basically, the idea is that it runs a daily challenge, saves it to the database, checks the results, that sort of thing. Basically, a completely automated daily challenge system for Discord and my GeoGuessr club. It works great, except it's saving the same challenge. So today, for example, yesterday's challenge was day 31. It saved today's challenge as day 31 as well, which is allowed in the database, and it's good that it is allowed because otherwise it wouldn't save the challenge at all to the database. But it's not saving the right number. It's just quite frustrating for me. And I've been trying to figure it out, but it is really like the most annoying logic that I've had to deal with. It's been multiple days and I'm still trying to rack my head to understand it, because I haven't been focused on coding the bot in a while. And so a lot of that stuff is a little bit second nature to me. When you're not coding or working on something in programming for a while, you sort of forget exactly what you did. This is one of those times where I'm just I'm trying to have to pick up the pieces and figure out why this is a problem and why it actually hasn't been a problem for so long, and then all of a sudden it's turned around and being a problem. I don't understand it. But that isn't the only thing that happened. The other thing was that apparently I had another bug with my database end this time. And the problem with the database was actually that it wasn't set up properly for the saving the last suggestion Sunday winner. Basically, I have a system called Suggestion Sunday. You run /Suggestion Sunday with your map URL, your time limit, and your round and your game mode type. And if your suggestion, when it's posted automatically into the Suggestion Sunday channel, if it's the most voted suggestion, yours wins, and that is what we play on the Sunday challenge. But I have apparently glossed over the fact that the save last suggestion, the one that saves the last winner to the database, actually didn't work. But then I checked it and it did work, but there was logic that really should have made it so that it doesn't work. Not 100% confident on what was wrong, but fixed it in the end. I thought it might have been a problem, and then I was like, wait, but no, it was working fine. Have you ever had a problem that you try and fix, and then you realize that it wasn't even a problem in the first place, and you just fixed it, and you're like, but this is the fixed thing. It works. I know it works now. It shouldn't have worked before, but why did it? It's one of those situations, I feel like my code isn't exactly formatted the best, and yeah, hopefully this ground up rebuild where I split it into an API and a front end system, so that I can sort of scale it between a website and Discord and GeoGuessr, all of these different platforms. When I do that, I feel like it's going to be a little bit of fresh air for me coding it, because things will be neatly split. Hopefully things are easier to debug. I mean, I've gone on the same spiel, is it a spiel or a spiel? I don't know. But I've gone on about it so many times. It's something that I'm pumped for, but quite honestly, I'm not confident as to when I will have it finished. It's just gonna be nice to, it's one of those things where it's really nice to do once you're there. But until it's there, it's, no, it's not exactly the quickest thing that you can do. It takes a while to get it to that point, but once it's there, you're happy about it. But yeah, I mean, that's my final rant of the day. I hope you guys do enjoy the system I've got where I do multiple rants a day, split them into different videos. If you guys do enjoy, make sure to drop a like, drop a sub. Catch you all in the next one.